Hello and welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be the quickest tutorial ever. We are starting with Madam Glam Scarecrow, and we're going to have 4 of the nails are going to be painted this color. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you never miss another video with me again. We are officially at 100 subscribers. I know it's taken a long time to get to 100 subscribers. That's partly because I haven't been consistent, but we're coming into my favorite season. We are in the middle of it, and fun things, especially the next 2 videos. So definitely make sure you're subscribed for that. We're doing a sweater nail. This was my first attempt at a sweater nail. I've been practicing, that's why I haven't put it out there. That's my TikTok called Damn Gina 444. And if you actually want to see my face and all like the other craziness that I talk about when I'm not on YouTube, that's where to go. I actually have a lot of Little Mermaid, Drag Race, random reality TV show things. If you're into that, that's what I talk about over there, and just life. So this is the infamous sweater nail that has been around forever. I have actually sped this up and it's still slow. So you're gonna put 2 lines, and then for this particular one, I did 2 nails in a sweater weather design. For some reason, I only have the footage of me physically doing this one. I don't know what happened. And also, I'm gonna tell you right now, the stamping area, there's a couple of things that somehow didn't get recorded, hence why this is the fastest ever. So we're doing this little sweater pattern. I'm still not the greatest at it, but what I've seen that's like the cutest is you do these little lines, and it reminded me a lot of this and then you go diagonal. This reminded me a lot of this design that I used to do in school when I used to write on the desks. There was like a particular design. If you know, leave. If you know, just say I remember in the comment section below, or leave a fire emoji, because there was a particular shape that we used to do back in the day. I sound so old back in the day. Next week is actually my birthday. That's going to be fun. I'm turning 33, so hence why these are so simple. I was in a real simple mood. I thought I wanted to have Thanksgiving nails all crazy, but for some reason I drew it out, but it just told me go simple. So you don't cure the design. So as you can see, I didn't cure design, and you put all the acrylic on until it goes matte completely, like no shiny areas, and then you cure it. So now we're going to do the marble nail. So this is an off-white that I am putting on. I don't know, something about this set was really simplistic and just like, okay, we're not going to do all the craziness. Sometimes withdrawing and holding back a little, it works sometimes. It helps. So what are we going to do now? We're just going to do that. And then these colors, the Kiara Sky Rose Gold. I actually have another haul coming up because I did order from Madam Glam. They had like a 50% off sale. So of course, you know, I had to order from there. So I'll have a haul coming up soon. I think it comes in this weekend. And all of those, we're putting blooming gel on. And then I just put a line of all those on my palette. You see me do that before in the past. Do a squiggly line, and then we are going to do a marble. A marble. There we go. And then we got the marble nails. I did want to just be on the sides, but then if I left it all splotchy like this, it looked weird. So hence why most of the nail looks like a marble. We really didn't need that bit underneath, that white underneath, honestly. Well, actually no, I like the white. But anywho, how have y'all been? You say you wanted tutorials, but then the shorts I've been doing actually do pretty well. So let me know in the comments what's going on. Yes, every nail set will have some type of bling and crystals, but this is probably the easiest ever. I bought these a long time ago from SheIn. It's about time I checked SheIn again, and then we just put that charm right there, and that's it. That is the only bling for this set. It's just that charm. I felt like it didn't need anything else, especially because most of this set is matte. I did the sweater nails are matte, this nail's matte, so we just did like that. Of course, we have some nail stamping, Maniology M023, and this, I'm sorry, I apologize so hard. This was the only part that I got. So you did the giving thanks, and then I outlined it in gold. I did put a turkey off camera, and this is the final look. I will be coming back, especially for the next 2 tutorials, because it's Sagittarius season. Birthday nails are coming up. See you next time. Bye.